Okay, this is group number 5's environmental art. We decided to do a habitat for more than one animal. We decided this through our own selves and what we wanted, and we started with the bird feeders,
which were made out of coconuts and were cut in half and painted with the SFA colors, purple, red, and white. There are bananas and orange slices or grapefruit slices and bird feed for the birds, which they should attract butterflies and small types of birds.
Moving on, we decided to hang the bird feeders from a stick, which shows it was for shade for the rabbits we were going to try and make a home for. So this is the rabbit's home. We looked up different information, researched it, and decided, well, first off, learned about how, well, rabbits can't live in the heat, so we needed an area that was shaded. So we decided to use the sticks to shade the area. And then inside we did pine straw, pine needles. And that's just a little blanket for them to lay on, relax, or do whatever they need to do. And then we decided to do a little garden around here for certain plants they can eat because they're herbivores. And these plants are...
The first one is the Solomon seal. The second one is the clover. And the last two are columbines. And we have the
passion flower.
The passion flower.
And the passion flower is just for decoration around here. And the vine is supposed to, we're hoping that the vine from the passion flower will root up into the top of the tree area over the next couple months or whatnot. Then we also decided to put rabbit's feet within our area, to track the rabbits. So we did a white one and we did a purple one, so that people will recognize those, maybe see that those are little rabbit's feet, hopefully.
This process could be used in the classroom with elementary students. And my research started off kind of slow, but once I got involved, I was satisfied with the knowledge that I received. Therefore, going into the classroom, I will allow my students to do research, which will allow them to build up on their ideas. And once they have their research, they can maybe sketch out, which will be a creation, more involvement with their ideas. And then they can come out and install, or whatever they decide to do. It will be their project, which it's not the product, but it's the process, to make sure that they learned the process.
Also, through the research and everything, you also have to work together collaboratively to do this kind of process and put it together, and the students could work together in groups to put it together, whether they decide to do something outside or inside. They will also be able to help out the animals, the different species around their area, possibly by even just putting a bird feeder in the back of the school near the playground or whatever they decide to do. And they could also do different things, maybe in an urban area, graffiti art or something. We looked at that more in our lesson plans if you guys want to look at that. And I think that is it. I was proud of our product and our process. And goodbye.